Hello everyone, this is part 23 of our journey from 10k to 100k euros. This video covers 3 trading days, so make sure to watch it from the start to finish to see my full analysis. Don't forget to join our Discord where we share analysis, help each other out, and just hang out. It's completely for free, the link is down in the description. And of course, happy Easter everyone, hope you're celebrating with family and loved ones. After night, basically in the night, nothing really happened. Market pulled back, and yeah, so I was still looking for the same thing on Nasdaq MB, and keep going down. Right now, good context. Will 100% follow it. Then Euro stocks. I want to see that first MB, something like this, and then another one. But yeah, that's it for now, basically. Yeah, on Euro stocks, to be honest with you, it looks kind of ugly. We have this. We are stuck in this range since Friday. So yeah, of course I'm expecting this, but I want to see clear MBs that points to bearishness. Because I don't want to take something like this first MB, second MB, and then market stops me out. I want to see clear MBs because we are stuck in here. And I'm happy to not take a trade in here, even though it does something like this, but maybe these markets, Nasdaq, will set up much cleaner and I will take them. So Euro stocks looks ugly, but yeah, we'll see. Then Japanese index still is okay to take sells. I will call this as an MB to the upside if it closes above. But if not, then still expecting bearishness, and yeah, basically this pause and keep going down. So yeah, as you can see, this is fucking like I'm doing the same thing every fucking day. There is no difference between, I don't know, like yesterday, today, or 2 weeks ago. I'm doing the same thing. It's so repetitive. It's so boring, to be honest with you. So that's the reality of trading, you know. And yeah, it really is repetitive, and you're just doing the same shit over and over again. And yeah. So by the way, one of the best things about the strategy is that look where I took my trades. And look at the market right now. Didn't take anything since this trade, since 3rd April, and now it's 17th April. I skipped all this, and still I will be skipping all this if market doesn't give me an entry. And that's the perfect thing about the way I trade, the way we here at Trade Night trade. So so yeah, basically, again, bearishness. Just want to see MBs. DAX doesn't have MB on validation, so yeah, nothing to do. UK the same thing, Spain the same, Italy the same. Then gold has, I think, yeah, it has some kind of flush, but in my opinion, it will do anyway something like this. Probably, we'll see. But after these kind of moves, I think we will have something like that. But we'll see. But yeah, it starts to flush. Which is really great. The standard gold as well, doing the same thing. And actually we are fucking at 3,300 already. Let's place an line at 350. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, basically here there's nothing to do at the moment. It is a flush. I like this. Basically, if it does something like this, I will risk another trade, but we'll see. So yeah, silver has made 3rd MB on validation, as we can see, on 6 hour. Looks nice. Building the 4th one, but still I don't have anything on daily. But at the moment we start to respect the EMAs from the other side. EMA starts to switch, EMA starts to squeeze, So that's for me is good enough. We have 3 MBs. We're building fort. If we stay in this area, of course, if we don't make another MB on a downside, then I am happy to look for entries on silver. If we make something like this and this, that's what I'm expecting from the market. Then coffee recovering, but I would say we're still bearish. We are in a chop, to be honest with you, but we have MB to the downside, and actually we have already 1 MB to the upside on daily. Yeah, I don't know, I don't want to touch it. Then US oil failed. Yeah, failed this MB. I was expecting bearishness, but yeah, we failed. So again, I need an MB. Pause. Keep going down. Crypto still expecting bearishness. Just need an MB. You could say this would be the first MB, and then the second one. So I place my alert. Actually, let's check 30-minute chart. Yeah, this will be the low. So let's place it right here. Solana looks not the best. It looks more bullish than bearish. And yeah, I will not take Solana. Of course they will move again. They will move fucking the same, Bitcoin, Solana, etc. But I just don't like this context. Look at the EMAs. It basically absorbed the EMAs and respected them and now pushing higher. So I don't know what it wants to do. Ethereum looks nice. Ethereum on 6 hour looks nice. The same thing I want to see as from Bitcoin. MB. So let's place this here as well. So yeah, that's basically it for now, and I'll be back once something new happens in the market. Yeah, I'm back, and basically what happened. First of all, probably soon I will take a trade on Nasdaq, and yeah, so we'll be taking basically first MB, second MB, going down, targeting these lows, and of course the lows. So yeah, I will see how it plays out. Still, I'm not in a trade. I'll be in a trade once, of course, market taps us in. Then Euro stocks as well. I'll be looking at it. I'll be looking at the whole thing as an MB, because in here I would say this is an MB, this is on some kind of time frame MB. This looks valid, the first MB, and the second one is already forming. So if it does something like this, I will be in a trade to go down. And yeah, then US30 just pushed down heavily like 2 hours ago or even 4 hours ago. I don't know why, but basically yeah, made first MB. Was waiting here on MB, but it didn't happen. It just fucking melted down. So yeah, nothing really to do. I will not take this as the second MB to go down. It would be too extended. I would want to see at least pull back to the 5 EMA. And yeah, overall looks really nice. Just still, I want to see. I would call this as a flush because we liquidated something in here and obviously are under the EMA, so that's nice. But at least a pull back to the EMA. Yeah, then silver as well. I am looking at it. It looks nice. It's still maybe it's too early because it's still it would be ideal if it starts to build something in here like a momentum MB on validation time frame, on context time frame. It would be fucking ideal. But at the same time, 6 hour is making that momentum after momentum, so it looks nice. At least it is above the EMAs and respecting and potentially going higher. If you look, for example, at copper is not above the EMAs and is not respecting them from the from here. So yeah, I'll be looking at basically at silver when we made the first MB. So if we here make the second one, I will try to take it to highs, and yeah, so that's basically it for now. So I'm in Nasdaq tapped us in right here. Yeah, market opened 2 hours ago. Got a little slippage, unfortunately, but yeah. So I'm in this trade. And then looking at Euro stocks, still not moving. But probably if Nasdaq goes down, then this will follow, like all of the markets. So yeah, just now waiting for 0.8, so I can place, like always, place my stop on a break even and be risk free, and then target 1 to 2 and 1 to 4, and And yeah, basically that's it for now. I'll be back once we have something new. So yeah. We are risk free. Yeah, Nasdaq just placed my stop on a break even, so basically risk free, and just waiting for partial, and then yeah, like always. Then looking at Euro stocks, probably will take an entry soon. We'll get in a trade. We'll see. And also I'm looking at Ethereum and Bitcoin as well. They're melting down at the moment, so we'll see if they give the setup. But yeah, looks nice. Still needs, of course, 2 hours at least to make a setup. So yeah, basically that's it for now. There's nothing really more, and yeah. Oh, by the way, silver is failing, so nothing here. Silver is cooked right now, and yeah. So for silver again, the same thing on a repeat like always. What do I need? I need this, and that's it. So yeah. For now that's it, and I'll be back once something new happens. Hello. So I'm back. It's already evening. Market will close soon, but yeah, basically, Nasdaq stopped me out at break even. Here was the trade, and yeah, so I didn't get the partial, so nothing here. And basically that's about it. I was waiting for this for like a second MB, but I will not take it anymore. Yeah, and stop is just too big. It's more than 2 ATR, so I'll skip this one. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day. It's Friday. Markets are closed, as you can see, because of the Easter holidays. And yeah, I took Bitcoin trade at the moment in Bitcoin. And yeah, it's not looking good, but this is the first MB, this is the second one. EMA starts to squeeze, EMA starts to switch, so looked nice. 6 hour doesn't look the best, to be honest with you. Yeah, doesn't look the best. Maybe shouldn't have taken this entry, but we are in a trade, so it is what it is. And yeah, so that's about it. This will be probably the only trade I take today. I'll go play paddle with friends soon, so yeah, I'll be back once something happens. I'm back. It's already midnight. It's Friday. Yeah, and I'm still in this trade. Nothing really has happened. We had some kind of momentum to the downside, but yeah, I didn't get to 0.8, so I can place my stop on a break even. Market is basically consolidating, and to be honest with you, it's as expected, because it's bank holidays in overall in markets, and yeah, it's as expected that market probably will not have any kind of huge momentum. So I'm hoping that market will stay and don't stop me out before Sunday, or yeah, basically, because often in Sunday we have huge momentum, and yeah, so yeah, we'll see. Of course, again, we are speculating, and markets will be closed till Monday. At least the European markets will be closed even in Monday. So maybe there will not be volatility at all, even in cryptos. We'll see. But yeah, enough of yapping. Yeah, there's no need to talk about anything else. Ethereum, nothing to do. As you can see, we are on entry time frame doing this, and that's not what I need. On Solana, first, this whole thing as the second one, so we can place an alert, but it's already midnight. I will not take a trade at the moment, but oh no, to be honest with you, I will not take a trade anyways, because we have an MB. I will call this as an MB, yeah, to the top side, so I want to see this to the downside, pause and keep going down. So yeah, no, this will not be a trade. And yeah, Bitcoin, yeah, so that's it for now. Enjoy your Easters. Of course, this video will be out after the Easter, but still, enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed them, and with family, etc. And yeah, see you guys probably tomorrow. Bye. Good morning again. It's Saturday at the moment, and yeah, at the end we got stopped out at full stop. But again, I just risked 2% of the account, so yeah, it's not anything huge. But yeah, we lost 1.6k, something like that, on this trade, so it's okay. Um, but yeah, like I spoke before, I think yesterday, that we are respecting the EMAs. That this is a little bit sketchier entry. We are not like in here when EMAs at least are switched. Right now we are not in the best condition, but still it was worth the risk. Why not? Why not to risk the money? And yeah, anyways, that's a loss. And basically that's it. Ethereum, Solana, everything in crypto is right now pushing a little bit higher, and we don't have anything. And yeah, Ethereum is the only one that looks actually nice. It's still respecting to the downside. Solana is already just pushing higher. Yeah. Let's see what is happening on 1 day. 1 day chart we have double MBs. On 2 day chart we will soon have at least 1 MB. So that starts to show some kind of strength in the terms of, I would say, basically maybe we have some kind of push, we pause, and then in there if we see good conditions on a 6 hour chart, basically MB and pause on 6 hour, and inside there, like always, we see the same thing on 1 hour. It could be a potential entry to go higher, because for me, I like to switch trend. I switch trend basically when I see at least context MB. At least it would be a 2 day MB and at least double MB on a 1 day chart. That's a minimum. And at the same time, I want to see the EMAs in the correct context, that it wants to keep going, start to go higher, or for example, in this case, keep going lower. And yeah, now we start to see something. And again, we had news about the Trump, that he will probably close some kind of deal with China. So that's probably why market is pumping, expecting that we will be, that tariffs will be off, and so market always wants to go ahead of itself. So yeah, but yeah, at the moment, of course, I will not take a buys. I want to see clear MB on a 2 day chart. That's at least 1 day still for this candle to close. On Bitcoin, we don't have anything really. We have 1 MB on daily. That doesn't mean anything. We still could do this. So basically, at the moment, there's nothing really to do. Completely incorrect direction, and yeah, and as you can see, and yeah, basically there's nothing really to do. This trade was completely incorrect direction. Probably shouldn't have taken it, but yeah, at least risked a lot smaller amount, and yeah, basically that's it. This will be the end of this episode. It's, I think, port 23. I don't think I will get any trades tomorrow, but if I will get them, I will start a new episode, and yeah, so again, happy Easters. I know that this video again will be probably posted after the Easters, but still enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed them with family, etc. So see you guys in the next week. Bye.